Welcome back to Instabills, everyone. I hope you guys are having a nice weekend, and I hope you guys do have a nice rest of your weekend. I'm going to go enough with you guys on the S&P 500. Again, this is the SPY. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for after we did get confirmation on our bullish divergence that we have been talking about this whole week. As you guys can see, we had lower highs on our price action as we had higher lows here on our RSI, showing us that reverse in momentum, and sure enough, getting this bounce here. So the question is, what exactly are we looking for to have a continuation on higher from here? What exactly is our leading indicator, and how much strength do we have on this bounce? I'm going to go over all this with you guys. Now, before we jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button, and if you do not want to miss any of our market updates or our potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week, hit subscribe. And if you guys are day traders or you guys are looking for intraday perspective breakouts all throughout the week, go to instabills.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY, as you guys can see, we were looking for bullish divergence. Again, that is when we have lower highs on our price action, as we do get confirmation out of jumping out of oversold with higher lows here on our RSI, showing us that reversal momentum, again, getting higher lows on our relative strength as we are getting lower highs on our price action, showing us that confirmation and breaking above that peak that we had when we broke out of oversold recently. So again, mentioning that recently, that if we did break above that, then we would have a larger reaction to the upside. And as you guys can see, sure enough, playing out this week and looking to see if we can continue above our 20-day moving average and get our 20-day moving average to cross back over our 50. As you guys can see, we do have our 20 still below our 50, showing us that we still could continue on lower. So I definitely would be careful. But what I would say, as far as a gap up, I would be looking to see if we can break over 400, and I would suspect that we would at least test 410 if we did get over 400. So we're going to be looking for that possible continuation above our 20-day moving average and to see if we can get over 400. And then we have a gap from 400 to 410 here, which is our doji candle that we did have and our indecisive point that we had when we had our continuation on lower. Again, a very strong push, and another indicator that would signal if we would possibly respect our 20-day moving average to see if we can continue on higher would be looking at our MACD and looking at our EMA lines. As you guys can see, we have our EMA line that is curling up, and we are curling up as we have higher lows here, showing us these triple divergence here on the MACD, showing us that we could continue on with momentum to the upside. So we're going to be looking for these to cross to see if we do continue on with that sell pressure that we have been decreasing on. Again, when we have white shaded lines here, showing us that decrease in sell pressure to the downside. And something else to keep in mind is that we do have Powell speaking on Wednesday this week as well. So we are going to have momentum leading into Powell, and I would say leading into Powell, as we do have our 20-day moving average here, we could have possible indecisiveness leading into our 50 at the very least. So jumping over 400 would be very key, but if we do come up to 400 leading into Powell, then I still would stay cautious. So we'll see exactly how the market plays out this week, but again, with our 20-day and our 50 pointing down here, as we do have Powell this Wednesday, we'll see exactly how the market reacts. We may have a continuation or possibly a rejection and continuation on lower based on what Powell has to say on Wednesday. And of course, I will post that in the Instabills when he is live. And again, very nice bullish divergence that played out this week from this week's market updates that we have been talking about as a reversal in momentum. So again, we're going to see if that momentum does continue leading into Powell this Wednesday. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for these major breakouts that we mentioned every single day throughout the week, penny stock, mid cap stocks, not much large cap as much, we mentioned any market updates throughout the day, go to instabills.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you instabills that come over every single day and support the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. We're going to continue to go at it, take what the market gives us as we are leading into Powell on Wednesday, and we'll see exactly what he has to say. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.